look, it's Nick Rutter from McKees 37. How you doing, Nick?
How's it going, Dennis?
Great to have you in the shop today.
Likewise.
Probably going to talk some McKees 37 products, but this whole line bearing the name McKees is really from Bob McKee, one of the godfathers of the detailing industry.
Yeah, I'll tell you, Dennis, the McKee name has a lot of heritage. Mr. Bob McKee is a visionary in the industry, as many would call him. First 15 years he spent up in New Jersey operating amusement concessions.
On the boardwalk?
On the boardwalks, yep.
I love that story.
It's a great story indeed. He went to college, moved to Florida, started a chain of stores called the Driver's Seat.
Yeah, I remember those.
Sold that, created Auto Geek with one person, 400 square feet, grew it to a massive company, and then 15 years later, he sold it. But he kept McKees 37 for himself.
Aha. Well, you got an array of products here, and pretty much a product for every part.
Yes.
Almost, right?
Every part of the vehicle, inside and out, plus boats and RVs.
Well, we have this beautiful CLS in the shop today. Now we're going to actually do some coating on it.
We're going to do some coating. Now, what we're highlighting here is our daily driver ceramic coating kit. So This is an all-inclusive kit that's designed for a daily driver. This gives you the best protection, hands down.
Okay, well, let's protect it.
All right, so step number one, which we've already done, is using the coating prep auto wash.
Right.
So there's even a special wash that deep cleans the paint. There's an iron remover, which removes embedded iron particles. That's also very important. And then the next step, and you might be familiar with this, it's using a clay bar. And this is arguably one of the most important steps in any detail, not just coatings. You spray the lubricant, you take the bar, and you form it into a patty. And how clay works is you rub it across the surface, and it's going to remove bonded contaminants. You take a microfiber towel, you wipe off the lubricant, and you're going to do this around the entire vehicle. And the coating prep polish, what this does is it's going to remove any old waxes, any polishing oils, because unlike a conventional wax or sealant, a coating needs a surgically clean surface so it'll bond.
To bond, right.
You apply this using a foam applicator pad, also in the kit, and this more or less attaches itself to anything that's left behind, and when you wipe it off, it yanks it from the surface. So, and you apply this like a liquid wax. Very easy to apply.
And you don't wait for it to dry, you're going to pick it right up.
No, by the time you grab the towel, it's already ready to be removed, and you wipe it off. We've done the entire vehicle.
Okay.
We're going to apply the paint coating. They're normally in little tiny bottles,
Right.
and these little tiny applicators. Well, in the coating world, we have a big 4-ounce bottle, and we even developed a special applicator pad here for applying the coating. So when you have a brand new applicator pad, take the coating.
Mist.
This is called priming it. And then you can spray it directly on the paint.
Oh, okay.
And then all you do is
No
you
more
spread
than
it
that.
out. No more than that. You want to work one panel at a time.
Okay.
A hood is considered 2 panels, side to side, and then up and down. And what's happening, Dennis, is as you spread it out, nanoglass particles are forming a blanket of protection over the paint. Because if you look at paint through a microscope, there's lots of pits, pores, and valleys. So a coating works by completely smoothing it out and making the surface perfectly flat. So when light hits it, you get the best gloss.
And then you're going to wipe, what, the excess carrier, or?
Yeah, what you call the carrier. The stuff that suspends the nanoglass particles.
Got it.
And compared to a wax, this is going to last up to 3 years.
Wait, what? This is going to last how long?
Up to 3 years.
Wow.
But don't worry, if you still enjoy waxing your car,
You can still do it.
you can still wax over top of it, but this gives you a much thicker film of protection. And when it comes to how hydrophobic it is, water's going to hit it, it's going to fly right off, taking dirt and contaminants with it. And that's the Daily Driver Paint Coating Kit.
So you've basically taken all the guesswork out of this.
Yeah, simply wash, prep, polish, and coat. That's it.
3 years.
3 years.
It's a beautiful thing.
It's gorgeous.